Rucola, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and celery. Hydroponics is a soilless way of planting that uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. Coconut husks ground into powder form are used to hold the roots down. We do not use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the green Eden seal. On your right are the holiday lodges. These accommodations are duplex type deluxe cottages. Function area called holiday terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design. On your left is the mangosteen orchard, which covers a total of about 3 hectares. Across the road on your right is our Gulayang Pilipino, where we showcase our organically grown local vegetables. These vegetables are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Again, simply look for the green Eden seal. Where we showcase our organic. We are now entering the flower garden, where we have different varieties of flowers. This is our first stopover. Feel free to explore and enjoy, but please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang Pilipino through here. You have 5 minutes to roam around. Peace and